In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Ffmpeg.dll error on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. In the search bar, search for the missing DLL. Just simply put download and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download button corresponding to your system type. Wait for this to be downloaded. Click the folder icon. Right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file. Right click, select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder. Locate this System32 folder. So if you are a 64-bit Windows, go to System32. If you are a 32-bit, you have to go to SYS Wow 64. Right click and then select paste and click on continue. And then simply wait for the process to be done. And once done, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Next method, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.